Hi everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Live Handmade and welcome to the September edition of Useful DIY Challenge 2020. It's a weekend, we all came out for a little nature walk, it's a beautiful evening and I thought I'll do the introduction here itself. I want to thank Maria from Artsy Cupcake for posting this month's challenge along with me. To visit her channel, I put the link in the description box of my video. You will love her content. And thanks to each and every participant to this challenge and all the viewers who have come here. I have the playlist link for this month's channel in the description box of my video. And you can add your videos to the playlist through that link, or you can even add your videos to the playlist through my community tab post. If you have any problem adding your video to the playlist, contact me and I'll help you add your video to the playlist. This month's theme is Boho DIY and I have brought before you 3 beautiful Boho DIYs which you can use in your home or even gift it to somebody and they're going to love it. If you're new here, a warm welcome. Look around in my channel. If you love the content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video and do hit that little notification bell with the ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. For this DIY, I'm using this bottle of champagne, empty and neat from inside. It's in dark green color and the first thing is I'm going to remove the labels. I'll clean this bottle one more time, the exterior, with some alcohol, cleaning alcohol, and then I'm going to use some jute strings over this. For the next step, I'm taking these are 10 strings of smaller jute strings. These are about 10 inches long and I am attaching them towards the base of these, trying to be equidistant. So if one is here, so I'll go to the opposite side and I'll place the other one here. Them like this. Now instead of going straight up, I'm going to tilt it, twist it like this, so it goes in a angled fashion like this. From one corner it goes up till the other side and I'm going to fix it here with another piece of tape. Similarly, the next one. Pull it tight so that it's neatly over this. Now I'm going to cut 10 more strings from this and repeat this process in the opposite side. The second step becomes easier because I already have these and I'm just adding these jute strings in between the 2 existing jute strings. So this step goes much faster because I know where to place them. I'll repeat the same process as before, but instead of going on this side, now I'll go on the opposite side. And glue it on the top. And this is the last string, and I fix it here, and here we have this beautiful pattern form here. And now to cover this, more jute strings. So I have to cover this joints here, so I'm going to glue some, add a little tape, also some strong glue here for the jute to stick. I'm simply going to wind it around this edge so that I can cover all the white tape. Boho also means terracotta. I got this terracotta vase sometime back, tried to do something with it, didn't work out well. So I'm going to update it today. So I'm taking some sandpaper and sand it all around because I need to give it that dark terracotta color. And sanding it would help the paint to adhere well and the pores can be filled for a smoother look. From the potters, if you can go to the potters directly, you will find this unfinished terracotta objects that can be used for crafting. This is the concoction I made with terracotta color, some wood glue and wood filler, and lightly diluted it to get this paste kind of consistency that will be easy to apply. I have showed this concoction in my previous video, I'll link above, for boho decor. So I'm going to paint it, one thin coat all around it, and I like the brush strokes coming. It gives it that natural look. Look how rich and dark is this color compared to the base color. Don't forget this inner rim, it can show through. Even the base so that it looks like an original piece and not a makeover. I love this rich color that has come. Isn't this beautiful? In future, I might think of painting it something with white maybe, but for now I'm really liking this dark color and I'm going to use it just as this. I got a little carried away, and with the leftover paint, I just painted this little cup that I had, earthen cup. These are actually disposable cups that are used here instead of paper cups or plastic cups. These are eco-friendly methods. I really like them. So I had some for some projects, so I'm just going to use one of these. My third and the final project is really very easy. I have this basket. I love baskets. I've told this many a times. And this is a beautifully woven basket, cane one, and I have it in very pale color. One can give it a coat of varnish or deepen it. I'll have to find out how one can really deepen the color very nicely. I'll try one of the methods maybe later. For now, I think I'm liking this light color here. So I've taken this basket and I've taken these beautiful lace here. It has beads on the lower edge and the top edge is flat for stitching. So I'm going to use it on this. So what I'm going to do is I've also found a little lid in white color, because the base is, if you see, it's kind of it's a rounded edge, so it will not stand, it will topple. So I need something as a base. So I'm taking this lid, which is deep inside enough to hold this. So I'm going to glue this lid to the bottom of this basket, and on the edge I'm going to go around, glue this lace around the edge of this basket. I think 2 rounds will be good enough, and I will get a beautiful planter to hold some of my indoor plants, maybe a pothos. So I'll cut off the excess and glue it here like this, and this will become a planter to hold some indoor plants in the home. Isn't this pretty? Here are my 3 boho decors for today's challenge. I love this space. It looks so boho chic and really very close to my heart. The plants, the greens, the terracotta, natural elements, just the way I like it. This is a beautiful vase. I really like it, how it looks. The final look is absolutely gorgeous, I would say. I've added some wheat chaff here that had grown sometime in the past. Here is the terracotta vase, and if you remember this little garland I made in my last video, I just added it onto the neck, and this can work as a vase as well as double up to do some job in the home. I'm using it to hold some of my painting brushes here. This one also has been put to a little use. I've just added a little candle here and placed it over a jute doily or a jute coaster. This is the planter that I made. It was the quickest DIY of all, and I've added the little pot here with pothos plant, and the whole look is so pretty with the cane and the white beaded lace and the plant here. I think this corner looks just gorgeous. Some of my coasters from the past, books, old books, have this very comforting feel about them, and my DIY false malachite box here. Everything goes so well. I really love how this boho corner has turned out. Do let me know what you think about these DIYs. These were super easy as well as they find use in the home. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, put down your comments, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for your time and appreciation, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, be positive, be creative.